Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on CoHost transcriptions. Really excited to show you the feature today. So to start, you're going to begin in the transcription library. Something to keep in mind is that you can transcribe a scheduled draft or published episode. So if you have a working draft that you're looking to transcribe, you can absolutely add that to your episode library and transcribe it at any time in CoHost. So, for the purposes of today, I'm going to go ahead and create a transcript on a new episode that I have created over here, and I'm going to click transcribe my episode. It's going to take a few minutes for the transcript to process. However, CoHost is powered by AI, so it is very fast and very accurate. So on average, a 40-minute audio takes less than 3 minutes and has about 95 to 98% accuracy. Of course, episode has been transcribed. You will enter the editor, which looks like this. And you can see that we have the speakers over here, and we can go ahead and edit the transcript. We do have word-by-word editing, so it's very similar to how you would use a Google Doc and very intuitive. So feel free to just click around and go through here. You can also edit your speakers. So for example, if I wanted to edit speaker 0 to, let's say, Steph, I could go ahead and update all, which will update all of my speaker zeros. If I wanted to update this, I could go in here and say, Alina, date. So this is all made for you to save time when essentially editing the transcripts of your podcast. You can go through your episode as well, and then that will highlight exactly where you are in the transcript. If you're listening to it, you can speed up and speed down over here. You can save it, you can publish it to a CoHost website, or you can download it as a docx if you're looking to publish it externally. If we go back to the transcription library, just a few other quick tips here. You can click the 3 dots here and download from a docx in the transcription library, publish to a website, or unpublish. You can also delete transcripts through these 3 dots. You can get to the editor by clicking edit. And that is everything you need to know about our transcription tool. Really excited for you to use it. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to the CoHost support team.